The thing that I forgot to show you, because we talked about bleeds and setting this document up with a bleed. Um, so these are the title pages in my book, and you can see where the bleed is. So I've got it on the view mode. Let's see, that shows me the bleed. There's also preview slug, presentation mode. I thought there was like a normal one. What is this? What does this do? Normal. Okay. So if I've got it on normal view here, then I'm going to see these red lines are the bleed area. So basically any of this could or may not show up on your final print, depending on how they cut it. So this is all to be chopped. But if you don't, so let's say that I took this image here. Let's see if I have the right one. I've got in the background, and I move it right to the edge. So right there, and I don't put it in any of this bleed area, they may cut the page right where this blue line is, and then that means I'm going to have like a white gap right there. So whenever you're using a bleed, you want those graphics to fill all the way to the edge of the bleed or beyond. So now when I send this to the printer or to Amazon and they've got the bleed included, the printer's going to cut it somewhere close to this area, and that'll make sure that this graphic comes all the way to the edge of the paper. Same if I scroll down here, you can see I've got this mountain image on it here, and it goes right to the edge of the bleed. Then that way this will come to the edge of the paper. So anyway, I wanted to point that out. What I don't know, so I put the bleed on the title pages, but I did not put a bleed on these others. We'll see how that works whenever I export it, because I really didn't need a bleed on any of the chapters, because there is nowhere, if I go into airplanes, that it's actually coming to the edge. Like there's plenty of space, of white space. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there.